I thought I'd share how I made these sort of bushy plant things for a little scene I made recently for a figure. Not a lot is needed. You need some sort of twigs. I use this stuff called high dry grass, which you can get from that website on the screen there. Some diluted PVA glue and some stuff called flower soft, which is used by crafters for card decoration or something. You'll have to search to find where you get that. The paint I used was a Citadel contrast paint, which is essentially an ink, and I applied that through an airbrush. And I just started by brushing diluted PVA onto this tall grass stuff. Good liberal coating of PVA, and then covered the stick with this flower soft and tapped off the excess and let it dry. And that's what it looks like after one application of flower soft. And there's a whole load of sticky twiggy plant things ready for painting. And I just airbrushed it with this Citadel paint. And you'll see that because the paint is an ink, it sort of settles in the recesses, and you still get the sort of light yellow, well, a lighter green showing on the sort of tips of what are essentially the leaves. I find this looks better than just using a green flower soft, which you can get. And that's what it looks like after first application of flower soft and paint. And then I went through the process all over again. So again, diluted PVA over the first layer of leaves. Another coat of flower soft, so you'll get like sort of 2 layers of these leaves being applied, and you'll see the green of the first layer through the yellow of the second layer. And then get it back under the airbrush and paint another layer of green ink over the top of it. And then simply poke a hole into the groundwork. A spot of PVA glue on the base of the twiggy thing. And plant it into the hole. Now I don't know what these plants are supposed to represent. I don't know. I'm not a botanist. I can't tell you what they're supposed to be, but this was something that I was able to make quickly and easily that looked sufficiently plant-like and also filled up a bit of space and gave some height, gave some elevation to some foliage. If you don't look too closely, you know they look the part, I think. And that's then finished and planted. I'm happy. I'm satisfied with the result of that, given that it really took next to no time and virtually no expense to make. Well, thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you found that useful. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you soon for another video.